Meiofauna are mobile organisms that live in freshwater or marine sediments. They include all organisms retained on a sieve with a 32 or 38 micrometers mesh size. Meiofauna can be found across a wide range of sediment types, like sand and mud. This video will focus on explaining sampling, slicing, and fixation of Meiofauna. Sampling. To ensure accurate data collection, it is recommended to obtain the coordinates of the sampling location and fill in a sample sheet with all the required information. Usually, the sampling of soft sediments Meiofauna is performed with a plexi core of 4 centimeters in diameter. A different size of the sampling device is used depending on sediment and habitat type, which is strictly associated to the abundance of benthic organisms. To collect an undisturbed sediment sample, the core is inserted into the sediment until it reaches the required depth. The upper part is then closed with a rubber stopper and extracted from the sediment. The bottom part of the sediment core is then closed with another rubber stopper. The sample can then be transported to the laboratory to be processed. Slicing. Slices can be made to study the vertical distribution of Meiofauna in the collected sediment. The ring for the slicing can be of the preferred size, but 1 or 2 centimeters thick are the most used. The rubber stopper is removed from the core, which is collocated on top of an extruder. Then the ring is put on top of the core, and the core is slipped downwards until the sediment reaches the upper part of the ring. The slice is made using a metal spatula. Cores should be processed as soon as possible after the collection to avoid migration of Meiofauna in the standing sediment. Fixation. Each slice is then fixed in 4% formaldehyde until further use of the sample. Formaldehyde allows the storage of biological samples for extended period of times, but must be used with caution and under laminar flow, as it is a carcinogenic substance.